Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy XRP using Coinbase Wallet, quickly and securely. Let's get started. Step 1 is to set up Coinbase Wallet. Just download the Coinbase Wallet from the App Store and then create a new wallet. Secure your recovery phase. Step 2 is to fund your wallet. Transfer crypto from the Coinbase and then Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. Buy the crypto in wallet and use your credit card or debit card to buy USDC or TETH. From there, step 3 is to swap for XRP. Tap Swap in Coinbase Wallet, select XRP to choose the crypto to swap and then enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Step 4 is to verify your XRP. Check your Coinbase Wallet balance to see your XRP. If it doesn't appear immediately, wait a few minutes to confirmations. And that's how you buy XRP using Coinbase Wallet. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.